Hi class, this is your lecture 11th. Okay, we are going to start exercise 1C, and before going to start the exercise we are remember some bases. Okay, we are understood some bases. So let's see what are the bases. If you see that now multiplication of numbers up to 6 digits, multiplication of numbers up to 6 digits by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's see what happened when we multiply a 6-digit number by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay, consider a 6-digit number. Make a table of multiplication as shown below. If you observe that here the same number is multiplied with 10, 100 and 1000, 10, 100 and 1000. But if you see that when we multiply this number with 10, just put a 0 on last. The other all the digits are the same, like 346, 346, 512, 512. When we multiply with 10, just put 1 0 on last. When we are multiply with 100, just put 2 zeros on last. When we are multiply with 1000, just put 3 digits on last, but other digits are same. Other digits are same. Notice that when we multiply by 10, we are move that number 1 column to the left and fill the blank with 1 0. Mean when we are multiply with 10, we are move just 1 column to the next and put and fill this column with 0. When we are multiply with the 0, 2 columns, we are move the number 2 column left and just put the zeros, 2 zeros, because 100 has 2 zeros. To move 2 digits on left, 1000 has 3 digits, so move 3 digits as left. So remember that don't have to write in columns and multiply with the रेगुलर मेथड. इसको लिखने की कॉलम में लिख कर मल्टीप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं. when we are multiplying with the 100,000, 10,000 and so on numbers. But remember that when we are multiplying only with these type of terms in which the first digit is 1 and other are zeros. First digits are 1 and other are zeros. So you don't have to multiply right in columns and then multiply. Just put the zeros, just count the zeros and put the at the last on the given term. Okay, इस तरह के नंबर जब आएंगे जिसमें पहला नंबर हमेशा 1 हो और दूसरे तमाम नंबर जीरोस हों, तो आपको लिख कर मल्टीप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं. यू हैव टू जस्ट पुट दी ज़ीरोज़, काउंट दी ज़ीरोज़ एंड put at the last on the given term. Remember this thing. Okay, so practice it. Okay, now there are some examples are given, like first example is 189,850 multiply with 10. So if you observe that answer is, just put a 0 on this last term because we are multiplying with 10. So just put 1 0 at this term and our answer is complete. No need to write in columns and multiplication. Okay, now second is 148,305 multiply with 100. So just count the zeros and put at the last on the given term. Okay, now the question third is 420,590 multiply with 1000. Okay, so just put, as you know that there is 3 number of zeros in 1000, so just put the 3 zeros on the given term. Okay, now our answer is complete. There is no change in the digits, just put the zeros on the last. Okay, so this is the easy method when we are multiplying with this kind of terms in which the first digit is 1. Remember that first digit is must 1. Okay, यहाँ पे 1 होना चाहिए first digit. If the number is 2, 3, then doesn't make this kind of multiplication. Okay, first digit is always 1 and others are zeros. Then you use this method to finding the multiplication directly. Okay, now see page 11. division up to 6 digit by 10, 100 and 1000. Let us see what happened when we divide 6 digit number by 10, 100 and 1000. Consider a 6 digit number here. In previous page considered a 6 digit number and multiply with 10, 100, 1000. Now divide with 10, 100 and thousands. Okay, make a table of a division as below. Here if you see that when the multiply divide by 10, here the cancel 1 0 with this 0 and write the other term 283 and 2 zeros here. When we are divide by 100, cancel 2 digits on last and just write the remaining part here. When we are multiply with the 1000, cancel the 3 digits, 3 zeros on last, 3 digits need 3 zeros on last and then write the remaining part. Okay, notice that divide a number by 10, we remove 1 0 and move the number 1 column to the right. When we are remember one thing, when we are multiply, we are moving the numbers toward the left column. Now when we are dividing, moving the number toward the right side, divide the number by 100, we are remove 2 zeros. Why we are removing 2 zeros? Because 100 has 2 zeros. But when we are multiplying, we are put 2 zeros. ओके, यहाँ पे जब 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या होगा कि 2 zeros को पुट किया जाएगा, जब 100 के साथ डिवाइड करेंगे तो 2 zeros को रिमूव किया जाएगा. ओके, डिवाइड द नंबर बाय 1000, वी रिमूव 3 zeros and move the number 3 columns to the right. Like here, if you see that 178,420 divided by 10. Divided by 10, 10 has one number of 0. यहाँ पे एक नंबर ऑफ 0 है, एक ही 0 होता है 10 में, तो 0 को सिर्फ एक 0 को इस टर्म के लास्ट से रिमूव करके आंसर को लिख देंगे. व्हेन वी आर डिवाइडिंग बाय 100, cancel 2 zeros on the given question, on the given term and write the other parts in our answer. When we are dividing by 1000, cancel the 3 digits on the last and write the remaining part. Okay. Now see student, we are going to start question first of exercise 1C. 720,856 multiply by dash, then answer is given 720,856 and there are 3 digits on the last. The answer is given. We are find what number comes here when we multiply with this number and our answer becomes that. Okay, so if you observe that, if you remember that there are 6 digits of these 6 digits are same in this term, but there is 3 extra 3 zeros. So what term come at this? अगर आपने यहाँ पे आपको याद हो कि कौन सा नंबर लिखने से यहाँ पे 3 digits आते हैं, मीन हमने सीखा है कि इसको जब हमारे पास फर्स्ट नंबर 1 हो, अगर 1000 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें, लाइक 1000 के साथ यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जब डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, if the number is 1000, then put 3 digits on the last of that given term, so there is same answer. So our fill in the blanks is 1000. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा हमारा 1000 आएगा, एक 1000 आएगा. ओके, 1000. तो यहाँ पे 1000 आएगा तो ये वाली टर्म फिल होगी ना, यहाँ पे 3 zeros लास्ट पे आएंगे ना. नाउ देर इज बी डैश मल्टीप्लाई विथ 100 एंड आंसर इज दिस. 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई किया है, मीन ये 2 zeros तो 100 के साथ हो जाएंगे, मीन इस टर्म को यहाँ पे लिखेंगे तो ये वाला आंसर हमारे पास फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स कंप्लीट होगी ना. लाइक 43869 ओके एंड 5. 43869 एंड 5. व्हेन वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग विद 100, जब 100 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, वी आर पुटिंग दीज 2 zeros एट दिस लास्ट, सो जस्ट बिकम दिस टर्म. सिंपल. नाउ C is 45,200 multiply with 20. Here the 20, not first number is 0. So how to solve that kind of number? Let's see. 45,200 multiply by 20. Okay. Now multiply with this two methods. One method is regular method and other method is just इसको क्रॉस कर दो ज़ीरो को, जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई विथ टू दिस टर्म, ज़ीरो ज़ीरोज़ को छोड़ दो, ज़ीरो ज़ीरोज़ को छोड़ दो, मल्टीप्लाई विथ दिस टू, टू टूज़ आर फोर, टू फाइव्स आर 10, ज़ीरो हेयर, वन टेक कैरी, टू फोर्स आर 8 और 1 9. This number is become. Now count the zeros on both sides. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 2 zeros are in this term and 1 zero at this term. So put 3 zeros here. This is another method. And another method is 4, 5, 200 multiply with 20. So 0, 0 को सबके साथ multiply हो जाएगा. Then put cross here. 2 zeros are 0. 2 0 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 take carry, 2 4s are 8 or 1 9. Then add 0 0 0 4 0 9. Answer is same. Two method. Just थोड़ी देर के लिए these इन zeros को भूल जाना. ओके, just multiply with the digits except zeros. Okay, this multiply with this 2 by this term and then count the zeros on both sides and put the last. Okay, two methods for finding the multiplication of this. Okay, now if 152 and 695 is divided by 10, what is the remainder? What is the remainder? So let's see now how to find the what is the remainder. Directly find what is the remainder. If we are dividing with the that kind of digits like 10, hundreds and thousands. Okay, here the first number is 1 and others are zeros. Directly find what is the remainder. Here if you see that there is a number 10 has 1 0. 10 में कितने ज़ीरो होते हैं? 1 होते हैं. So just see a last digit on that term. Last digit of the given term. Just see last digit. If you see here the last digit is 5. Last digit is 5. So remainder is also 5. यहाँ पे अगर 10 के साथ डिवाइड करें तो you have to find the remainder. So just see the last digit. Just see the number at ones place. Thus just see the number at ones place. Ones place पे जो भी नंबर होगा वो रिमाइंडर होगा when you are multiply with 10. ओके, लाइक यहाँ पे 3 होगा तो 3 रिमाइंडर होगा, 4 होगा तो 4 रिमाइंडर, 9 होगा तो 9 रिमाइंडर. लाइक if here number is 0, here for example 152,690 divided by 10, here the last number is 0, so remainder is also 0. Remainder is also 0. Okay, now take another example like 152,695 divided by 100. If you see that here the 2 zeros, so just see last 2 zeros. See numbers at tens place. Tens place has 95, so remainder is 95. In this question remainder is 95. Okay, जितने ज़ीरो होंगे सिर्फ उतने डिजिट्स को देखना है. यहाँ पे 1 0 तो just see at ones place if the number of zeros are 2, but remember that there is always number 1. ओके, यहाँ पे हमेशा 1 होगा तो फिर ये वाला मेथड यूज़ करेंगे. ओके, नाउ 95, so 95 is remainder. Now if we divide it by this 1000, so just see 3, the last 3 digits, so our remainder becomes in that case 695. Okay, so our final answer is 5. Our final answer is 5. Okay, now see here, last part is E. 358,800 divided by 10 divided by 100. So how can we write the answer directly? We are cancelling 2 zeros. If we are divided by 100, we are cancelling 2 zeros on that term and write the other parts. 3588. As you know in previous basis of division. Okay, जैसे पीछे डिवीजन की बेसिस में हमने सीखा कि कैसे डिवाइड करते हैं that kind of number like 10, 100, 1000. Just remove 2 digits on that term and write the other part. Okay, thank you. Hopefully you get it. Practice it well. Okay, practice it well and solve by take some examples by your own and put and practice it well. Okay.